Kong is a fast-paced city that is business-oriented. Being artists in Hong Kong comes with unique struggles, and we know how it feels. There is a strong desire to achieve and to create something beautiful.
We truly understand that pursuing something artistic can make you excited and yet often lonely. You have moments where you want to believe in yourself, but instead face self-doubt or question your path. This is why we decided to start Artists in You Co. Hi everyone, we're the founders of Artists in You Co, Eunice Lee and Sasha Chung.
We're a pair of artists, educators, and best friends.
I was born in California and came back to Hong Kong with my family from Texas.
As for me, I was born in Hong Kong, lived in California for a while, and then came back.
We have talked since high school about wanting to create something together. In 2021, after teaching at school and private settings for over 7 years, we both transitioned out and decided to reunite again, to start a creative business together. Right now, we live in the digital age. This has transformed what it means to be a creative. There's so many exciting possibilities for artists nowadays that did not exist before. Our hope is to explore this and help others along the way, and educate those who don't know as much about art. Artists in You Co.'s mission is to inspire the artist in you.
We are an online platform that has products and contents to help creatives to grow. We hold the philosophy that everyone has creative potential and deserves to nurture it. So our platform is for you, those who are art professionals, art students, or those who love art.
Our brand is all about using art to serve people. We hope that through our content, we can encourage those who are interested in learning more about art. This is why in the end, we decided to not take the traditional path of artists and painters. Instead, we want to use our knowledge and share our experiences so that others can also pursue their passions in art.
Our website is now live with a blog and shop with digital products.
We are currently focused on creating quality content for you to enjoy. In late June, we are going to be launching our podcast so that we can connect more with our audience.
We hope that through our brand, more people will love and appreciate art.
Artists in You Co. allows us to pursue projects with a purpose. We are just getting started, and we are excited for what is to come.